I, Dr. Morve Roshanke, I'm a postdoctoral fellow of Southwest University, China, and an honorary research associate at the Bangor University, United Kingdom. I was a convener of the Writers' Festival. I have written two short stories based on gender, marginal, and minority issues. My seven poems were published in international magazine and journals from India and the USA. And I have edited 74 children literature books. That project I got from CIIL, Mysore, India. I am the co-editor of two poetry anthologies, and also I have worked on COVID-19 pandemic volume 2 and volume 5. My contemporary poems are Shim, I Born in the Dark, Nature and Me. So here I would like to recite my poem I Born in the Dark. This poem I had written during my MPhil when I was working on black literature, post-colonial literature, a comparative study of Nigerian and South African issues. Yes, here I am going. When I born in the dark night, the people thought it was not right. I do not know. I do not know. Oh, I forget. I forget. I regret. I fret. How to keep it secret? I do not know. Oh, I forget. I regret. I fret. How to keep it secret? Even though I am a kid, I know what it is. The existence of black I do not need. But in my sight I love the night. Please listen my voice which needs to rise. Let's demand for the equal rights. Try to know my human duty. It never erases from my skin. I live as a black and I will die in black. Here I'm going to recite my second poem. The second poem's title is Born as a Girl. Is it my fault? The world is seeing to me in a different way. The world is seeing to me in a different way. Is it because of I'm a girl? What is a girl? They say a girl is a puppet of man's hand. When a man will touch and move the thread, then I will also move. My body has no control, where the remote is with him only. Today, my day has started. I believe that letting live and let me live, or let me allow leaving the place. I have to change my space. I do not think I'm a puppet and you can play with me. I'm not clay, so you cannot play. I can move according to my wish. This is not your business. Let me leave and let me leave you the place. Your corrupt mind, let me change. Here I end this poem. Yes, I know in this group there are some Hindi speakers also, so I would like to read a romantic poem. This is dedicated to my husband. The title of the poem is दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे। तुझसे मिलने मेरा प्यार आँखों से झलके, तेरे हर एक नशीली नसाखत में, उसी के इंतज़ार में हम बार बार तरसे। मेरी आहें रसा का हुआ असर, जब आए वो नज़र, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे। लाज़मी है, लाज़मी है तेरे हुस्न दीदार में मेरे नैना तरसे, लाज़मी है तेरे हुस्न दीदार में मेरे नैना तरसे, जैसे धरती की प्यास में आसमां बरसे, जैसे धरती की प्यास में आसमान बरसे। तेरा हर एक अंदाज़ इश्क निराला सा लगे, सजदे में हाथ उठाया है बस तेरे इल्तिमास के लिए, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे। इंतज़ार करते करते दम निकल न जाए, इंतज़ार करते करते दम निकल न जाए, डर है कि शायद आपके बगैर ये सांस ठहर न जाए। लम्हा होता है बीत जाने के लिए, पर वो लम्हा रुकता है सिर्फ तेरे मुंतज़िर के लिए, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे। इस उम्मत में आशिकारा है तुझे, खुदा की तरह चाहा है तुझे, इसीलिए खुदा न करे तकसीम मुझे, यही दुआ मांगा है रब से, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे। तमन्ना है मेरी कि आपको संवारूं आँखों में, जो है महरम ए दिल मेरे, जो तुमको पाया तो सोचती हूँ क्या मुतलबा करूँ खुदा से, जो नेमत हो तुम उसकी, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे, दिल बार बार तुम पर मर मिटना चाहे। ये कविता मैंने तब लिखी थी जब मैं पढ़ा रही थी चिल्ड्रंस यूनिवर्सिटीज़ गांधीनगर में, और मतलब वहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि बहुत सारी ऐसी जो गाने या शायरियाँ ये वो होती हैं तो बहुत सारी सिर्फ लेडीज़ लिखी हुई होती हैं, तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो कुछ अलग सा करते हैं और ऐसे लिखते हैं कि मतलब ऐसे सोचा कि मतलब हाँ मेरे हस्बैंड पे भी मैं कविता लिख सकती हूँ, तो मैंने लिखी थी जी। अब मैं एक आखिरी कविता पढ़ना चाहूँगी जिसका टाइटल है शिम। I would like to recite this poem शिम। शिम मतलब एक मतलब मैंने जब ये वर्ड सुना था, मैं जब ब्रुनाई यूनिवर्सिटी जा रही थी तब वहाँ के वहाँ गई थी, तब प्रोफेसर ने एक बताया था कि ये शिम मतलब, तो मुझे लगा ये शिम क्या है, तो जब उन्होंने बताया कि मतलब शी और ही का कॉम्बिनेशन जो होता है शिम होता है, तो वो ट्रांसजेंडर को बोलते हैं कि शिम। तो मैंने कहा चलो उनको एक आइडेंटिटी देने के लिए या उनके इश्यूज रखने के लिए मैं उन पे एक कविता लिखूं, तो मैंने एक इंग्लिश में कविता लिखी है, और यह कविता मेरी यूएसए के सेतु जर्नल में भी पब्लिश है, तो वहाँ भी आप देख सकते हैं। तो सो या आई वुड लाइक टू रिसाइट दिस पोएम। द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम इज शिम। I have changed my existence. I have changed my existence. People say this is because I am mentally disordered person. I am sure that this is neither a disease nor a problem, only a natural feeling, not an artificial one. The words are reverberated. The power is in you, the same power is in me too. Though I feel impatient and you feel proud, still there are binaries in between you and me. You deny the other and I deny myself. Hug me. Otherwise, the quarrel starts in between you and me and me. The reason of my existence has been denied from many year and year. The reason of my existence has been denied from many year and year. About me do not have a care and fear. How many years I have been digesting me licrimal. When will you understand? When will you understand? Oh my dear, where is my home? From my childhood I have left my home and still do not know where to stay. In this overpopulated world, I cannot beg it, but I can adopt. Arne likes to fly, but feathers cut ere start to fly. Though I will try to resurgent the sky either. Still my life is tenebrous. The lucent has gone for forever. At the end, the body has missed. How will retrieve my origin? There are only two in treatment, only male and female. Here I would like to stop my presentation and recitation, and at the in the conclusion I would like to thank Saraswati Poswal ma'am for giving me a place on Sargam Literary Interactions so that I can be in touch with you all. I do all the best wishes for the team and other poets and poetess for their creative writing, and I really appreciate this initiative role take and lead this program led by Saraswati Poswal. As a woman, she is really very active and she is doing too many things and giving a place especially for the women also. So I'm really thankful to her, and I would encourage all women across the world to come out and speak about women, speak about social issues, and keep writing your creative writing also. So yeah, this was my small message to all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.